Good day to everyone. This is Kadal Amudam from Chennai, India. This video about pre-call exercises in tune with sales training program. There are certain steps to be taken before meeting the prospect. This will enhance the quality of meeting and improve the chance of closure. The time of the salesperson and the prospect will not be wasted. So, the prospect will enjoy your professionalism. Basically, this is simple and everyone can practice. It is always the simple techniques which produce great result. Kindly remember the winning edge concept from previous videos. Do a thorough background check of the prospect before meeting him face to face. Visit his website and understand their product and services. This will come in handy to conduct need analysis and offer him a solution better suited to his business. Try to understand their expertise and unique selling point. Appreciate these features during the sales conversation. This will make the prospect feel more confident about the salesperson to whom he is talking to. Visit his LinkedIn page and understand his role and responsibilities in the organization and make sure that he is the right person to your product and service. For example, if he is a production manager, then he is the wrong prospect for my sales training program. So, one can avoid wastage of time for you and the prospect. Visit his Facebook page or Instagram and understand his personal preferences and hobbies. You can talk about it for a minute or so before starting the sales conversation. Don't forget to set connection request. Most importantly, send a text message and confirm the time and place of meeting just before starting. If there is a photograph of the prospect in the social media pages, then use it to visualize the sales meeting. Conduct the sales meeting in a positive manner in your mind before the actual meeting itself. Do you want to join the community of achievers? Then join my course one on one online training. 30% improvement in 6 months is guaranteed. Kindly subscribe to this channel so that you can listen to more videos like this in the coming days. Thank you for listening. And then place your comments so that I can improve myself to give a better training to you.